Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by with us. So today's video, it's one of my favorite videos to do, and it's our top 5 new and innovative dual sport adventure touring products for 2024. One of the best parts about my job is I get to see everything that is new that comes to market. So I've gone through and I've selected 5 products that are new or innovative that I think that you should all know about. But I'd love to hear your feedback. If there's an item that maybe I missed that you've seen come out that you think should have been in this top 5, well, comment down below and let us know what that is. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. First up is the Arai XD5 helmet. Now the XD4 had been around for a very long time, I think about 10 years with no revisions to it. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it, because the XD4 has been one of our most popular, best-selling dual sport and adventure helmets for a long time now. It's one that many riders here at Rocky Mountain have been using, and here's why. If you're shopping for what is arguably one of the best fitting, most comfortable helmets out there, it's gonna be hard to beat the Arai. You're gonna be hard pressed to find somebody who says that they don't love how the Arai fits. But there's some other cool features about the Arai helmets that we love. We've done spotlights on the XD5. You're gonna wanna go watch that. I break it down into full detail. But with the new XD5, they revised the shape of the shell just a little bit, so you have a little bit better shield design. The visor got a whole new makeover, trying to make this thing more aerodynamic, less buffeting at higher speeds, updated wind ventilation design. So a lot of cool new updates and features to the XD5 to make the XD4 even better. So again, if you're shopping for a new dual sport adventure helmet, looking for what has been one of our favorites, check out the XD5. Next up, you have 2 heated gloves from MSR. You have the Surge and the Reload. You're not gonna beat the value of these 2 gloves. They're both battery powered. They both have 3 different heat settings, windproof, waterproof. The big difference between the 2 is that with the Surge, you're gonna have CE level 1 knuckle protection, hard knuckle protector there, and just a little bit more premium construction all throughout the entire glove. But they both have 100 grams of Thinsulate insulation. So if you are shopping for your next heated glove and you want battery powered, these 2 gloves are phenomenal. Again, go watch the product spotlight. Next up, it's right here. This is the all-new Waypoint adventure tire from Tusk, built for your smaller to mid-side adventure bikes. So we have actually 3 different adventure tires in the lineup. We have the D-Sport, which was our first adventure tire that we came out with, very aggressive. That D-Sport is built primarily for more off-road riding. We have the 2-track, which is phenomenal for your larger adventure bikes. But now you have the Waypoint, and who the Waypoint was built for is for riders that are looking for a good, aggressive tread pattern. So if you want to take this on an off-road ride, you're totally fine to do that. But when you compare this to the D-Sport, the D-Sport is very aggressive and can be a little bit noisy, not as good, not as much longevity when you're on the highway. So where the Waypoint comes in is for a rider who maybe you use your bike as a commuter and you want a bike or a tire that's going to be a little more quiet on the highway, have great longevity, but if you're planning your next adventure ride, you're going to be doing a lot of dirt, you don't have to worry about swapping out your tires because the Waypoint was built to just handle it all. So kind of like 70-30 tires, 70 dirt, 30 street, but it's been awesome. Ton of testing here at Rocky Mountain. Very happy with this. So if that's the kind of the type of tire that you're shopping for your next ride, check out the Waypoint. Next up, we have the Cardo PackTalk Pro. If you are shopping for a Bluetooth comms communicator, it's hard to beat these. So we've actually been using the Cardo PackTalks for years now. And what we loved about these is that you have their dynamic meshwork communication. So it's very easy to pair you and a large group of riders together. What's cool about their DMC mode is that once you're connected, if somebody goes out of range or disconnects, once they're back within range, it seamlessly reconnects that person. You don't have to touch a single button to do so. It works phenomenal. Awesome sound quality. Again, very easy. Just about everything on here is voice activated. But what's new with the new PackTalk Pro is crash detection. They have built a sensor into this, so once you have it on your helmet, it'll turn on automatically, or you can turn it on via the app. But if you were to crash, it will actually alert you through your headphones saying crash detected. From that point, you'll have 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, it will call an emergency contact that you put into your phone through the app. Now, if you do crash and you don't need that person to be called, you can cancel that call very easily. Again, you have 30 seconds to do so. But when it just comes to elevated safety, Cardo, these guys are making it happen. Again, crash detection with the new PackTalk Pro. Last but not least, you have the new Adventure Mirror Kit. Well, actually, So this is from Double Take, and they make not just adventure mirror kits, they have an enduro and a dual sport mirror kit, but we've got the adventure mirror kit on here. But what's unique about the Double Take is they've updated the mounting design. It looks similar to just your standard 1-inch ball like we've seen for a lot of years, but what they've gone through and done is that with their ball, they've made it just a little bit larger than 1 inch. And then this base piece right here actually has some little ridges on it. So when you install these and you put your mirror on, you don't have to crank it down super tight. It's actually a little over 40% more or stiffer than with the previous design. So you don't have to crank it down for your mirrors to stay in place and be super strong. And another cool feature about these is just their construction. That's what Double Take is known for. So it's a material called Zytel, and it is incredibly strong. These things can take an absolute beating. We've used Double Take mirrors for years. Again, this is the adventure kit. They also have a dual sport option as well as an enduro. And that's it. That's my top 5 new products for dual sport adventure riding. Arai XD5, taking the XD4 and making it even better. 2 amazing battery heated gloves from MSR at an incredible value. You've got the new Waypoint tires, 70/30. Awesome for commuting, quiet, good longevity. Take that thing off-road. PackTalk Pro, crash detection, elevating safety, and then the Double Take mirrors. If you got questions, comments, please leave those down below. To see all these, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You know the deal. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on cool products like this, well, then you got to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.